The number of times a month that you wash or condition your hair depends again on your lifestyle and how you're styling for your hair and the condition it's in. When I first started out, I was washing my hair every 2 weeks, but I soon found that wasn't often enough. My hair needed more moisture and my styles weren't lasting as long, so I switched to once a week. So I was washing my hair every 7 days on a Sunday. But if you pay attention to your hair, if you pay attention to how it responds to the products you're using, to water when you refresh it throughout the week, and how your scalp feels, you should be able to tell when it's time to wash and condition your hair. So if your scalp is feeling dry, itchy, irritated, then perhaps a few days before that happens is when you should be shampooing your hair. And if you can feel the texture of your hair, whether it feels stretchy or whether it feels hard and brittle, it should be able to inform you as to whether you need a moisturizing deep conditioner or a protein strengthening treatment. And paying attention to these things over time will help you to determine how often you need to wash your hair and how often you need to condition. But I would always recommend conditioning or topping up on moisture before your hair gets to the point where it feels overly dry, brittle, and you're starting to see breakage.